Good morning. What is up, Royals? Welcome back to Tonitra's Garden. If you're new here, I'm Tonitra and you are in my garden, which desperately needs to be cleaned, and things need to be pulled out because this summer heat is just beating things down. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna clean up I would say the left side of my garden because things are just dying. Things didn't work. I guess you could say garden fails. And I mean, not everything was a fail, but some things failed and some things are just too tired to make it through the heat of the summer. So it's time to go ahead and pull them out, and it's gonna look so good when we get some nice open space again, so that's what we're gonna do today. Let's go ahead and get into it. These are my favorite sleeves. These are from Farmer's Defense, and these are great for when you are harvesting things, when you're cleaning up, when you're pruning. They just protect your arms, and they also, I like them because it keeps the mosquitoes from just biting my arms up. So they have many different purposes and they're very comfortable. So if you are interested, use my discount code. It will be linked in my bio. You definitely need some of these. They're a game changer and they're cute. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and work on this side. We have 3 tomato plants to pull. We have some corn. We're popping out of there, and we're also going to be pulling stuff out of my stackables because those are looking pretty sad. Show you guys with the corn. What I got from the corn this year. I've never had really any luck with corn, so this is not a surprise to me. There's nothing in here. Let's see. Look at that. So this is what I got. Pretty sad, pretty sad. I might try again in the fall, we'll see. I need to get some different corn varieties. I wanted to try this other one, so stay posted. So this space is already starting to look 10 times better. I have one more tomato plant to pull up, and we'll be done with the big plant. So let's get that one out of here. This is just my excuse to take a little break, y'all. The sun is trying to come up. It's about, I would say, 8 o'clock right now. The sun is just coming up. Gotta get to it early. So this is the mess that we've made. You definitely want to get this out of your garden. Pest and disease have no place in the garden. So get it gone. Okay, so these are my Dollar Tree stackables. They are looking so sad. They need to be replanted. I actually want to put some more basil in these and more herbs that like, more herbs that like hot weather. So, and I have a trash bucket. So let's get into it. It smells so good. I'm probably gonna keep some of this. I just have to see what's worth saving. I'll save the mint because it should grow back. I'm gonna take out the chives, cut it back and see what it does. Ooh, it smells so good. Watch out, girl. Alright, so I think I'm done with this one. I'm just gonna give everything a good haircut, basically. It is hot and humid out here. Okay, one down. Ooh, look at this sage, thriving. We're gonna cut this sage back. Pull out this, I don't know what it is. I think this might be thyme or oregano. Get down. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one because it's looking pretty dry. No, ma'am. Okay, and we're gonna cut this sage back. I think you can propagate sage. We have a bunch of basil. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this basil. I can plant more. So if you haven't seen my summer seed sowing video, I did sow some other seeds. I sowed some cantaloupe, some mouse melons, and some other things. If you want to go check out that video to see what I will be replacing some of the spaces with, I'll have it at the end of this video so you can go watch it. But I do have my watermelon already in. I'm so excited for watermelon. Look at me making a huge mess. This one's empty. I got this top one. I'm gonna go ahead and pull everything. These are micro tomatoes, but I believe I have more seeds, so I'm not gonna worry about saving the seeds for these. And we have some peppers. I think I'm gonna replant these into a different container. Ooh, it looks like we have ants in here. These were the strawberries. They didn't do well. I think it was just too hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull them. We'll just try again next year. Sometimes it's just too hot for things, and that's okay. They might start to produce again in the fall, so maybe I shouldn't. I'm torn. No, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of them. Bye-bye. Some things just aren't worth the hassle, and if it feels like a hassle, just pull it out. It's okay. Pull it out and plant something else. I have a long growing season, so that's fine. Alright, it's been so long since I've sat here at my garden desk. I am so happy to be sitting here right now because it's been so hot that I haven't been able to really do any work out here, and that makes me sad. But I'm gonna leave these in here, leave these peppers, and see if they produce any more. I'm just gonna add some soil on top. Glove. Yeah, we'll just add this moist soil to the top layer. We should do fine. our first okra of the year. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys the watermelon. I planted these probably a week ago, so they're just getting started, but I'm excited for those. I'll be pulling out cucumbers soon. I don't think I can save seeds from this variety, so these will be getting pulled. All right, so this is how the left side of the garden looks now. Nice and open and empty. I did wet everything down, water everything. I'm gonna keep these 3 containers watered, and they will be ready. Well, I'll do some amendments and they'll be ready for the next round of plants. This one as well. And that is pretty much it for this little space. I'm so excited to see what is next. And over here, we have 3 containers empty, so we can replace some things here. I just cut back everything in these containers and topped this up with some more soil. So we should have some more peppers. All right, Royal, so that wraps it up for this video. I hope that you enjoyed, well, not gardening, cleaning with me today. And hopefully it'll give you some inspiration to get out there and get things done. So I will see you in my next video. Make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.